Yeah, I'll continue the differential equation, solution of differential equation. Now, today I will solve type 3 problems. Okay, just take down heading type 3. YP for, so finding YP, particular integral for phi of x equals a into x power n plus b into x power n minus 1 plus etc. Okay, so it is a polynomial. It is not exponential and not trigonometric. It is in terms of x. Okay, some algebraic equation. So now we have to calculate yp for this. Take down. Consider yp equals the same way RHS equation you write in the numerator, that is a x power n plus b x power n minus 1 plus etc. So divided by f of d. So same way. So here, like previous two type, we will not substitute. Okay, it is like a division, numerator divided by denominator. So just how you will divide. So same way we will divide. It is one polynomial, one equation, and denominator also another equation in terms of d. We will divide both the equation. So the procedure I will explain in the problem. Okay. So by division method, just to take one line. By division method. So it is not synthetic division. So as usual, it is a regular or normal division method. Okay, division method. By division method, find yp. Find yp. Okay, just to take this because generally we can't explain this concept. So in the problem, I'll explain that is okay. Just to take the problems. Solve the following. Solve the following differential equation. Yes, the first one. Solve y double dash plus y dash plus y equals x square plus x plus 1. Okay, you can see the RHS. It is a polynomial. Now first part you do it calculating YC. It is common. Solution using operator D. Using operator D. Yes, write down using operator D that equation. Yes, y double dash can be written as d square y plus dy, y dash nothing but dy plus y equals x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so now take y common, d square plus d plus 1 into y equals x square plus x plus 1. Okay, auxiliary equation m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. Is there any factors?
No, sir.
So then you have to go with formula. So a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals 1. Coefficient of m square, coefficient of m and constant. Write the formula m equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that is equal to, yes, substitute and find the roots. minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square is 1 minus 4ac is 4 divided by 2a is 2. Okay, so that you can write as minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 by 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. I will split 2 separately, plus or minus root 3 can be written as I into root 3 by 2. So this is the root. So it is a complex root or imaginary root where alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 and beta is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore yc equals e power alpha x, that is minus 1 by 2x multiplied by c1 cos beta. So beta value is root 3 by 2 x plus c2 sine root 3 by 2 x. So this is yc. This is first part. It is common in this type also. Type 1, type 2, type 3. The first part is common. Okay. Now coming to yp. Yeah, here it is very important. Consider yp equals, yeah, as usual, RHS equation in the numerator. So this is x square plus x plus 1 in the numerator, and f of d means the equation in terms of d in the denominator, d square plus d plus 1. Okay, write down that is first. Yp equals x square plus x plus 1 divided by d square plus d plus 1. Okay, just I have to cancel like in a division way. I have to cancel the numerator by using denominator. Okay, so that procedure I will tell you. Just observe here, don't copy. So how to find yp? So here no substitution, nothing. Okay, just we will divide directly. So how to divide? Just observe here. Yeah, here this numerator equation, just observe, I will give the time. Okay, don't copy. Numerator equation you write inside this box or whatever the line I draw here. Inside this, in descending order nothing but highest degree should be first, x square plus x plus 1 like that. Okay, so numerator equation write inside in a descending order. So highest degree first and the lowest degree last. Okay, and denominator equation d square plus d plus 1 you should write outside in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. Increasing means starts from this constant. Okay, lower degree. So 1 plus d plus d square. Did you got it? The point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this is a very important step. Just see here. See, I want I want the first term should be x square. Don't take. Okay, I want the first term should be x square in such a way that I want to multiply one term here. Okay, some term I want to multiply that one term here. That term I want to multiply with the first term. I should get x square. Okay. One number means one term. Okay, maybe it is a constant or in terms of x, whatever, such a way that if I multiply 1 into this term, I should get x. I should get the same. Only I am concentrating on the first term. So what I have to fill here? Okay, that is I will tell you. Just see here. Some logic is there. Very simple logic. What is that logic means? What is the first term here in the inside polynomial? That x square you write. And what is the first term here? 1, no? So you divide by 1. What is the answer? First term by first term. That's it. What is x square by 1?
X
Square.
square.
That x square you write here. Okay, this is the logic. Okay, what is the first term divided by first term? First term in the inside equation, first term in the outside equation. Okay, now see, multiply 1 into x square. What is 1 into x square? What is 1 into x square? X square that you write here. Then plus in, this is plus only, is it right? Nothing, no sign means plus. Please don't copy. Listen, observe here, I'll give the time. This is plus only. Now see, multiply this x square with all three term of this differential equation. Whatever the equation is there in the outside, you multiply with x square. 1 into x square, I will write x square, answer right here. Now plus into plus is plus. What is d into x square? What is the meaning of d into x square? Anyone?
Differentiation
What is
of
d?
x square.
Yeah, differentiation of x square is what is the answer? 2x. Is it right?
2x.
That, yeah, that 2x you have to write here. Next, again plus into plus is plus. What is d square into x square? Okay, what is d square into x square means 2 times differentiation. So one time differentiation is 2x, another time differentiation is 2.
2.
Is it right? So that 2 you should write here. Okay. Did you got how that equation we got it here? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Now subtraction rule. Okay, subtraction rule means minus. Please don't copy, just observe. Whatever the change is there in the second equation, you should write the opposite. Since plus is there, this is minus, and this is minus, and this is minus. Okay, just opposite sign you write it. Then see x square and x square get cancelled. So like that, I have to cancel the 1 by 1 term. Now what you will get? See x minus 2x. What is the answer? X minus 2x
Minus
is
x.
minus x. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1.
-1.
Minus 1.
Okay. Now same procedure you follow. Now what is the first term in this is over now. First step is over. Now coming to minus x minus 1. Now I want to eliminate x. See, in the first step I eliminated x square. Now in the second step I want to eliminate this x. So what is the procedure? Same first term divided by first term. What I will get? What is minus x divided by 1? What is the answer?
Minus x.
That minus x you should write here. Okay, you have to write this minus x by 1. Why I am taking, why we have to take the same thing means first term in the inside equation divided by first term in the outside equation. First term only. So now multiply all 1, 2, 3 terms with minus x now. X square is over now. Okay, now multiply. What is 1 into minus x? Yes.
Minus
It
x.
is minus x. So I should get the same term here. Whatever the first term, I should get the same. I am concentrating only for first term. Remaining whatever it is. Okay. Whatever the first term, I should get the same. Next, plus into minus is minus. What is the differentiation of x? D into x. What is the differentiation of x?
1.
1. Okay. Now again it is not and. Plus into minus is minus. What is the double differentiation of x? D square into x.
0.
0. Correct. One time differentiation is 1. Second time is 0. So you should not go. You should not verify if the degree of the order of this differential is more than the degree of x. Okay. Now that's it. Same procedure you follow. Minus changes to plus and minus changes to plus. What you will get? Cancel now. Minus x plus x cancel. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1 also cancel. What you will get the answer here? 0.
0.
Yes or no? So once you will get the 0, so our yp is equal to what is the answer we got here? So that is our yp. That's it. X square minus x is the yp. That's it. Okay. So I know little bit confusion is there. I will clarify in the next problems. Okay. Try to solve on. Yes, copy here now. So whatever the answer I got x square minus x, that is yp. Therefore y equals, just I will write so this is the procedure to solve yp for polynomial, and here even though there are 3 terms polynomial x square plus x plus 1, we will not take it as a separate polynomial, we will combine as a one unit. Okay, one term, whereas exponential and trigonometric should be different. If it is over, tell me. I will go to the next problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope you understand partially. Yes, if we solve some more problems and in different way, you will understand easily. And compared to that trigonometric, really this is simple only. Only thing is the way of solving. Okay, just take note. Next problem. Solve y double dash plus 2y dash plus y equals 2x plus x square. 2x plus x square. Yes. First, using operator D. First part is common. Using operator D. Y double dash nothing but d square y plus 2 times dy plus y equals 2x plus x square. Okay, so take y common, d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equals 2x plus x square. Okay, now auxiliary equation m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Can we get the factors?
Yes.
Yes, 1 ones are 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. This implies m equals minus 1 comma minus 1. So whatever the number you will write here, its opposite sign. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Please don't take as it is. We got many scripts in the valuation you are taking as it is. So that's why I'm telling this is one method, directly write the root. If it is confusing means you can go with step by step only. You apply a high school level method and you can find the root. Roots cannot be wrong. Okay, then yc equals, yes, what type of roots this is? Roots are real and equal. Case 2. So C1 plus C2x whole multiplied by e power minus x. This is first part. Now yp. Consider yp equals yes 2x plus x square divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. As usual, whatever our problem you can take, and here also you can write how in what way I have to divide. Okay, so like that you can write. So I will write this line. Yes, numerator equation write inside in descending order, highest degree to lowest degree, then x square comes first plus 2x comes last. Correct. So denominator equation write outside like in ascending order or increasing order. Increasing order means begin with constant. Sometimes one also not there. Then you should start with the d. Okay. So I will go with 1 plus 2d plus d square. Is there any confusion here? You can ask. Always you should write numerator equation inside, denominator equation outside in a reverse way. Here it is decreasing order, that is degree. Here it is increasing order. Okay. Now follow the procedure now. I want here first term as x square. So for that I have to multiply one term here. That is simple. First term divided by first term. X square by 1 is x square. You write x square here. Now multiply x square with all these three. Yes, what you will get one by one. Tell me. First term no doubt you will get x square. Is it right? What next? Plus
Plus 4x plus 2.
plus 4x, is it right? 2 into, somewhere you can work out 2 into 2d into x square, nothing but 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x, you will get 4x. Then plus into plus, plus double differentiation of x square, one time is 2x, second time is 2. Now subtract, minus, 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 so this x square get cancelled. Now 2 minus 4x is minus 2x and minus 2 constant. Similarly, continue until you will get 0. Last term should get 0 until you should go on divide that equation. Now first term by first term. Okay. So what is the first term is inside equation minus 2x divided by 1. That what is the answer you will get, that answer you write here, it is minus 2x. Now multiply. 1 into minus 2x is definitely I will get minus 2x. Then plus into minus is minus. Yes, 2 into differentiation of 2x. 2 into differentiation of 2x. What is the answer? 4.
Minus 4.
Yes, minus it is already written. Then only the number is 4. Now subtraction rule. Minus changes to plus. Minus changes to plus. So 2x and 2x cancel. So minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Again it is not 0. So continue. So now first term is only one term left here. 2 divided by 1. So write somewhere this should be numerator divided by this first term should be in denominator. 2 by 1. Don't confuse and write 1 by 2. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2 with plus. Correct? Both are plus. This is also plus. This is also plus. Therefore plus 2. Now multiply. 1 into 2 is 2. First term into 2. Now these two are over now. Okay, just multiply only with the 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Differentiation of 2, double differentiation of 2, both are 0. So therefore this is the end. Subtract, minus and cancel. You will get 0. Therefore what is YP?
X square minus 2x plus
Square minus 2 plus 2.
X square minus 2x plus 2. This is the our YP. Okay, therefore y equals YC plus YP. That's it. I think now we are understanding the concept, the procedure. Yes, next problem. Solve y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equals 12x square. Yes. Only one term in the RHS, even though it is a polynomial. Solution using operator D. Using operator D. So y double dash is d square y plus 3 times dy plus 2y equals 12x square. Take y common. D square plus 3d plus 2 into y equals 12x square. Yes, first part. Auxiliary equation m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. For 2, I think you will get the factors 1 2s are. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. So therefore roots, this implies m equals -1 comma -2. Therefore yc equals c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Because the roots are real and distinct, it comes under case 1. Yes. Actually, the equation looks so simple. What is the RHS polynomial to calculate yp? But procedure will be the same, and it may go extended another 2-3 steps. Okay, consider yp equals, this RHS equation is 12x square divided by square plus 3d plus 2. Let's try to solve this equation. I will wait another 2-3 minutes. Yes, we'll solve. Anybody?
Sir.
Yes. Any
Sir,
answer?
yp equals 6x square minus 18x plus 21.
Very good. Correct. So write 12x square inside because only one term is there. Outside, you should write in a ascending order, nothing but increasing order. Starts from constant 2 plus 3d plus d square. Okay. Now same procedure. First term divided by first term. Somewhere you can write here 12x square divided by 2. First term in the inside equation should be in the numerator. First term of outside equation should be in the denominator. So what you will get? 6x square you will get. Okay. Now multiply 6x square with all three terms, that is 2 and 3d and d square. So 2 into 6x square, definitely I should get 12x square. I need same term only. Okay. For that I am multiplying one term here. Yes. Then plus into plus. Yes. 3 into differentiation of 3d into 6x square. So what will be the answer? Somewhere work out. 6 3s are 18. Correct? 6 3s are 18. Differentiation of x square is 2x. What you will get? 36x. 36x. Then plus d square into 6x square. D square into 6x square, nothing but 6 into one time differentiation you will get 2x. Another time differentiation you will get 12. 6 2s are 12. So plus 12. Like this. So 6 you write as it is. One time differentiation write as it is, and differentiate x square one time you will get 2x. So another time differentiation of 2x is 2, 6 2 is 12. Like this you have to work out. Either calculate in your mind or write somewhere. Okay. So now as usual subtraction rule. This is minus, minus and minus. So 12x square cancel, minus 36x minus 12. See, even though RHS involving only one term, it is not so simple. Okay, we can't expect that is. Now continue the same procedure. minus 36 divided by 2. First term by first term, minus 36 divided by 2. So that is minus 18. So write minus 18 here. And now multiply 2 into minus 18 is minus 36. Then plus into minus is minus. Okay, plus into minus is minus. 3 into, sorry, this is x now. X, sorry, 36x minus 36x by 2 is minus 18x. Yes, this is x. Yes, plus into minus is minus. 3 into differentiation of 18x. 3 into differentiation of 18x. That gives 54. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
And double differentiation is 0. No need to write. Now same subtraction rule, minus changes to plus, and this is also plus. So 36 cancel. Yes, what is 54 minus 12? 2 and 40 with plus, correct? Now only one term left, 42 by 2. First term divided by first term. 42 by 2 is 21 with plus, because both are positive, no? So 21. Now if I multiply, you will get 42, and differentiation of 21 0. Double differentiation of 21 is also 0. Finally, subtraction rule, you cancel, you will get 0. So final answer is yp equals, therefore yp equals 6x square minus 18x plus 21. That's it. Therefore yp equals, sorry, y equals yc plus yp. So division method, actually really it is simple, but you should try to understand the procedure. Okay. Yes, I'll go to the one more problem. Only 2 problems left in this topic now. Just let me see. Third hour also I will take, and maximum I will complete the combination all problems. Let me see. Yes, next problem. Solve d square minus 5d plus 1 into y equals 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Yes, consider it is directly given in terms of d, no? So consider d square minus 5d plus 1 into y equals 1 plus x square. Okay, so using operator d, sorry, auxiliary equation, m square minus 5m plus 1 equal to 0. So you won't get the factors, because last number constant is 1, less than that 5, and we don't have the factors for that. Go with formula. A equals 1, coefficient of m square, b equals minus 5, coefficient of m, and c equals 1, that is a constant. Okay, now m equals, write the formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes, that is equal to minus b means already b is minus 5, minus gives plus. Plus or minus square root of b square is 25. Even though minus become plus, if it is square, minus 4ac is 4 divided by 2a is 2. What is the root you will get? 5 plus
5
or
plus 3
minus,
Plus or
this is
even
root 21, no? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it complex? What type of root this is?
Real root.
Real, actually. Okay. If you see plus or minus means, don't think always it is complex, because complex nothing but square root. Inside the square root, negative sign should come and it should I should come. So it is positive. So it is real and distinct. How it is distinct means one you take plus, another one you take minus. So this implies m equals 5 plus root 21 divided by 2 and 5 minus root 21 divided by 2. These are the two roots. Okay. Real and distinct. Whatever it is, it gives some decimal values. If you use in the calculator, let it be. Therefore, yc equals. So apply the formula. In this case, it is case 1, real and distinct. Therefore, c1 e power 5 plus root 21 divided by 2x plus c2 e power 5 minus root 21 divided by 2x, like this. Okay, since the two roots are real and distinct, so this is the case yc. Now consider yp. Consider yp equals, so what is the equation? 1 plus x square divided by d square minus 5d plus 1. 1 plus x square divided by d square plus 5d plus 1. Sorry, minus 5d. D square minus 5d plus 1. Yes, follow the same procedure. One plus x square, I have to write like x square plus 1 in a decreasing order. D square minus 5d plus 1 can be written as 1 minus 5d plus d square in increasing order. Okay. If 1 begin with 1 means it is very simple. X square by 1 is x square. You should write x square here and multiply. 1 into x square, you will get x square. Yes. What is next? If you want to calculate in the mind, you calculate and write the answer. Otherwise, write somewhere, but don't do any mistakes. Take your own time. Minus 5d into x square. Want to multiply second term with x square, no? So you will get differentiation of x square is 2x. So minus 5 into 2 is minus 10x. Minus 10x plus d square into x square. D square into x square, nothing but double differentiation. One time you will get 2x, second time you will get 2. So that 2 right here, and subtraction rule. This is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So x square get cancelled because we are solving in that way only. And see here, minus 10x, but in the numerator first equation we don't have x term, no? So it should be plus actually, sorry. Plus 10x you should write as it is. Got it? Plus 10x. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Constant. 1 and minus 2. You subtract. Yes, again follow the same procedure such a way that I should get 0 at the last. Now first term 10x divided by 1 is plus 10x. And multiply now. 10x into 1 is 10x. Then 10x into minus 5d. So plus into minus is minus 5d differentiation. This is over. 5d negative sign already written. No, just I will take the terms 5d into 10x. What is this? Differentiation of x is 1. 5 tens are 50. And d square no need because it gives 0. And this become minus and this become plus. 10x cancel with 10x, you will get 49. 50 minus 1 is 49. So one more step you have to do. 49 divided by 1 is plus 49. And if you multiply it by 1, you will get 49. And differentiation, double differentiation is 0. So finally, it will cancel. So the yp, what we got the answer, that is our yp. Therefore, yp equals x square plus 10x plus 49. This is yp. Therefore, y equals yc plus yp. That's it. So only one problem is there. Just I will give you and we will discuss in third.